Jesus Christ, that's so good. The Bahama Mama. Oh my God. Oh my God, Jesus Christ. What the fuck did I eat at the stupid ball game? Yeah, the Club Tails. And it calls itself the Bahama Mama tropical fusion of sensational strawberry, cherry, and citrus. This is one of my favorite liquor drinks out there.
What?
Hey, Team Drubbles, team fucking.
You had one sip. You had.
Fuck my life. I'm done. Oh, fuck me. It's been 10 seconds. For fuck's sakes. Jesus Christ.
Team Troubles. He had his sword.
Avenged! Ooh, you fucking idiot.
Who's the idiot now? Got him.
They have rockets. Want to see a cool thing I'm gonna do?
Oh, if I pulled that off, that would have been my favorite clip. There's a third one.
You are face in the box.
Oh my God.
What was that, Dylan? What was that? Why was it wet?
What? Why was it?
You just made a sound and it was like... It was gross.
I don't think I made a wet sound.
Hey, it's Fiesta, by the way, before you inevitably throw your battle rifle on the ground and tantrum. Are you serious?
Yeah. Oh, I planted on rockets. I got double frag.
That's the bitch! Hey, step in the flames!
Welcome.
Oh my God! I'm out of ammo. Oh my God! Oh
What's the guy behind you? I tried to save you.
Dude,
I did
I'm
everything I could.
rinsing.
Halfway to victory.
Oh my.
Oh shit, I don't have a repulsor. What happened?
Check this shit out.
Won't you do it?
No, I curved around that wall. Did you see that?
My mom said we were taking a bus from the airport.
Oh.
And I asked if I could use disinfectant wipes as clothing for the bus ride.
In Florida.
Thank you.
That might be suiting.
Fuck, that's funny shit. It's just a really good mental image. Oh shit.
Number one, baby. Can't stop this.
Oh! Yeah, I deserve. Oh my God, goodbye.
Oh.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
What do you want? What are you doing?
No, they're not. Oh, I'm gonna go get that sniper. Don't worry. He's so low.
He's just jumped down. He has. He's got no shields. I tagged him.
Oh, there's a sniper behind me.
Finish him off. Finish him off.
I gotta kill him. It's so scary.
Guy behind you.
That's not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted.
How are you alive?
I didn't want this. What happened? I don't even know.
Ooh. Hey, I have a chopper. I don't really like it, but I'll use it. Oh, dude, the trail that the thruster pack leaves off your guy is just so cool.
It's cool, but it's a little bit too loud. Like, you can see it really easily. Okay, so that was just fucking Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. I don't know what I just did. We gotta go. Just keep going. Just keep going. Keep going. Keep going. We have 8 seconds. We have 8 seconds. It's not gonna happen. Did that though. No! 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 No!
I'm dead.
So next point wins. Oh, we have 3 minutes. Okay. Dude,
Disgusting.
how do your farts always come with various counts of stages?
I am clenching as hard as possible while also pushing. It's the most risky way to do it because you may shit yourself, but it provides great content.
It does. And one day it will
Smells so
provide the
bad,
greatest
too.
content. That of
When
your
I shit
pants
myself
being
into the
shit.
microphone. Yeah, there it is.
I might actually cry if you poop. If you poop.
It was,
Oh my god. Oh my god. Fuck.
it was
Oh
so
my
bad.
god.
It was so
That was
bad.
a primitive burn.
That was like an otherworldly
Didn't have a
presence
choice.
birthed through me.
No.
On my screen, it did. Hey, we're up by one.
What kind of sound?
I'm out of ammo. No way! No way! What are the odds? Faster. That was a teammate. What? You fucked that guy's aim up. Oh my god, we died so hard.
I kept to his stomach.
Yeah! I got him! Avenged!
Underneath, go off the grappling and shoot down.
I need to check something before we die. Do you remember the game mode we just played?
Eh.
I thought we were doing that again. Go to my X. I have a skewer and a rocket launcher.
You weren't kidding me! What?
What are the odds of that?
Well, the issue is that the whole idea behind
all
Netflix
bad.
originals, they say, well, we'll pay you in full when your third season, and then there's only 2 seasons of. That is actually an issue that they're doing.
Ethan, what's wrong with your mic?
Huh? It might be facing away. Why?
You keep like, yeah, they'll only give you like 2 seasons, and then after the 2 seasons, they'll pay you. And then after the 3rd season, they like the end word of your
Taylor,
sentence.
That's just you.
Only Dylan.
I'm here.
Dylan, listen.
It's fine.
I appreciate you. Dylan got really quiet all of a sudden.
Sorry.
Netflix will only like half pay them for the first 2 seasons. They're like, if you get a 3rd, we'll pay you. And then they don't.
Okay, now he's gotten
Yeah,
off. He's doing it on
fuck off.
purpose.
I
It
told
was the
you.
same
It's your mic.
sentence.
What?
It's
It's not
the
cutting off.
exact
No,
same
no.
sentence that Taylor
My
described.
my HUD.
I'll fucking
my
record
HUD
it.
I'll take anything. I hate you with a passion.
That was so funny.
There was one that I found that was good. This one.
Oh my
Oh.
god.
Just make a pile.
What are the odds that we
Struce, meet us here.
talk about this and it just happens?
Struce, get out of there. Struce, get out of there. It's a death zone. What are you doing? Look how many. Oh my god. No, no. No. That man was low. Oh no. Did anyone see that? I'm playing anything. I just played Rocket Repulsors.
God.
Rocket
That's
this.
the one I
I just
haven't
played
gotten
this.
yet.
What?
Damn it. Okay.
I've got it twice in a row now.
Oh my god. There are so many fun game modes. Anyway.
Did you hear that?
You
it's a
nailed it.
visor?
Yeah, I was
I was thinking
I
armor
was
core.
yeah, no, it was that's
Please record
that's
that.
typically what it is.
Really are. Finish it.
Wait.
That was not real. That was not real.
Was it
Inside of a Pringles can?
All of yours are formatted differently. Okay.
Oh, did Dylan join? We've been playing fart noises, so I thought you were another fart noise. I was all ready. Ow! Let's kill myself.
Dylan, did he corrupt
Cool.
for you too?
Wait, are you go?
A little bit. Oh no.
Oh my god.
He repulsed my rocket.
Aston, you weren't even aware. Wait, how did you do that? He just walked into you. He just fell into your arms.
Tyler, I doused you in hearts.
Oh, that was actually really cool.
Oh, that's why. 120 ping out of nowhere. I'm cranky.
I accept. I accept.
What do you do? I'm falling back. I had the sniper and I'm not very good with it. On me.
That was hilarious. It was like a magic trick. There's a man here with a needler.
Killing spree.
Just charging
Come on,
in.
come on, 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 come on. No, I just walked on. God damn it. Dude, it's like a fucking, it's like some new form of instrument.
It's a new form of something.
Oh no!
I actually need spray for that. Oh my good god. Oh, why is it dirt and vegetables?